State Cabinet Minister Sukla Charan Noatia visited the Khumulwng Press Club on Thursday to meet the Tiprasa media reporters. Minister Sukla Charan Noatia had a discussion with the members of Khumulwng Press Club regarding the land issue of Khumulwng Press Club and the advertisement policy of TTA-ADC. Even though the Khumulwng Press Club was established by the hands of Chief Minister on the last 5th March 2021, the Tiprasa news reporters does not have a place to rest. The ADC politicians only speaks about the language protest. However, the reality always shows different. The Tiprasa Press Club is about to complete 3rd years. Repeat. The Tiprasa Press Club is about to complete 3rd years. However, there is no rest house and advertisement budget for the Tiprasa Media House. The politicians and ministers remember the Tiprasa Media House only at times of election. However, if the ADC or state government doesn't bring any development or schemes for Tiprasa Media House, even after becoming MLA, MDC, EM or minister, at least in a year they should come and see how is the situation of Tiprasa Media House. However, they forgot about this media house once after they achieved that position for themselves. On the other hand, look at the condition of Khumulwng Press Club. To influence the people on stage might be easy for a politician, but to execute their promise is very tough. This is universal truth. Consequently, the Tiprasa Media House is living in such helpless condition. As such, the State Cabinet Minister Sukla Charan Noatia, after hearing the condition of Tiprasa Media House, went to visit in Khumulwng Press Club at Khumulwng Forest Chomini, Shalka Market. Minister Sukla Charan Noatia had a discussion with the members of Khumulwng Press Club regarding the land issue of Khumulwng Press Club and the advertisement policy of TTA-ADC. He was saddened by the condition of Shalka Market. On this day, Minister Sukla Charan Noatia visited the Khumulwng Press Club provided by ADC government. He said he will soon talk to the SDM and DM for land allotment. He further said to meet the State Chief Minister and Maharaja regarding this issue.
Tiprasa amkrani bagai sang jora jora salayo sini social media balai society ni bagai important abno base khlai sini 2018 government change sangmani loge no sini honorable chief minister former chief minister Biplop Kumar Dev bini period bini presence sini Khumulwng ni TTA-ADC Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council area na base khlai te sara Tripura ni Tiprasa ni bagai kaisa platform permanent platform sawi rijaka 2021 ni 5 तारिख मार्च और जगह Tiprasa Press Club हंगसिजों नै state government ni bisingti khlai abno inaugurate khlai rijak mani bo जों तिनिनु खाप्राय 2021 hingga tabuk 2023 प्राय 2-3 years kasama jawa already light hangka tabuk puna borokni permanent tamahin location tak puna rijak yapo ka abono khnabai tine ang sakbai thang sini Khorang ni chief Chini Daronjit Burma tekoni team sebai khai Khumulwng visit khlai thika era sini old building tongo abo belai khino khub kaham hatar tei nai khang kang kai khum nai chatok building kotor kintu bisinga thangai habai nai khang kai mungsa pano korei kai abo borokno aro jagauna temporary shift khlai tonmani apna tabok sini ADC bo sini bubagrani leadership ADC prosason katal slaijak mani bisingo borok tabok phono aro jagao permanent settlement rejak rejaknai on the process aboni bisingo dakti khlaini khlainani ongthong hnai ang tini specially ani byaktigoto bhabe 5 visit khlai nokha borok bai kok salaika bubagrabai bokok salainai ometan natiyai karon sini Tiprasa ni bagai kaisa abo khub important jinis nini social media abuna chung desh khlai abuna important khaina chung tinese pojanta ase jara sopayo karon abo sini democracy ni under hangkangka chung fourth pillar hisabai chung borongno desh khlai chung borokna important roi samung tango karon jei kono ব্যক্তি jei kono elaka jei kono society jei kono community jei kono dofa bo jodi pochogo kanani thangkangkai sini media rokni bhumika belai important media rokni bagai tabuk sang belai kai appreciate ma klayo belai kai hambai ma roi sini Tiprasa media society tongai rokna jara youtuber tongai rok jara print media tongai rok jara nene kabangma jani ja je chungma jara tekai jara social media samung tangai rokna ang belai kai hambai ma ro asu jara ba sisawai phaimane bagai tabung noga achukoi puna social media ni samung tango kamiwa achukoi puna social media ni samung tango abono overall jotona thansa krai kaisa club borona kaisa permanent office nani bagai abostini jara government tongai rok jara authority ni amatawa achukoi tongai rok boroni must be abono important borokno provide khainani nango aboni bagai jeng belai kai hambai ma ro sini sarkar ni jarawa jeng borokna priority roi jeng borokna security roi kaisa Tiprasa ni press media ongtong kaisa Tiprasa ni press club ongtong kaisa Tiprasa ni press club ni kaisa platform ongtong abono sini government no borokna priority roi asu jara borok ta samtang tango bus kangna borone jeta nene porikathamu ni byapara sanjata bok salainai borone ADC ni authority bai bok salainai maharaja bai bok salainai Tripura ni sini honorable chief minister tango chief minister bai bo jeng abono consult khai jeng bok salaye dakti borokno kaisa permanent platform dinani bagai jeng chaita bai samtangana aboni bagai tinini para jaga bai visit khaimane asu jara tin.
On the other side, Khumulwng Press Club Secretary Ranjit Debarma spoke about the real condition of the Tiprasa Press Club and said the Tiprasa Press Club is about to complete its third year. Still, there is no rest house and a place to stay for Tiprasa reporters.
Kini belai hambai maruo sini honorable minister Sukla Charan Noatia ini naikol Mumbai Tiprasa kok to mathumnai rokno kaijak mani bagai Tiprasa kok to mathumnai rok bahike tong bahike samung khlai tong borok ni lengla thaita tong abono nainani phemani bagai जों जतनो साइमानो lai thangnai 2021 bisini 5 tarik Marso haste hapangbai haseni Montreograni bisingti Khumulwng Press Club je Press Club Tiprasa rokni Press Club ni o jagao songsabai jakmani tia batabuk bisik tamkana ni thangai tongo bisik ni already laijak Press Club ora phayei kuno Tiprasa asuknani lenglnani kolma jorabo heni nobarsanani oro tongti news rohonani abo poristiti o jagao takuri जों जतनो साइमानो Chini bagai haste hapang tongo Chini bagai ADC hapang tongo tabuko जों Chini kokuma thumnai rok haste hapang ni manthai maya khemanya जों lengla thaisulu Chini tabuko kri ko awani bagai जों saitogui tongo oro ADC hapang bai kok salaimani logi Chini bubagra bai kok salaimani logi haste hapang ni montri rok bai kok salai Chini problem जों permanent solution bujaktheng o jagao permanent building tangjaktheng agotla press club tongmani haike kaisa develop press club khajakna ningtheng aboni bagi tini honorable minister phai kok salaikya bo kok rekha dakti nobo isunati DM bai kok salainai SDM bai kok salainai oro dakti Tiprasa press club Khumulwng press club asai mani dabai sai kok dabai abo haikena norma sanani musungo जों ADC habangna hambai marago जों dakti no o jagao 10 gonta jaga जोंनो जागनानि थाङै दङ एलटमेन्टनि प्रसेस सोलि दङ जों खाथुमो दाति नाय 2 मासनि सिङाव जों एलटमेन्टनि अंख्रै फायनाय एरखौ जों आस्ते हापां एबा एडिसि हापांनि फैक्ट्रि साइटमों नाहरै जागि दङ र चिनि कटाल बिल्डिं मानानि बागै गुबुन बागैनो बतिनि स्पेशली बो विजिट खायगा तै गुबुन मिनिस्टार अफ चिनि Tiprasa मिनिस्टार चिनि एडिसि नि EM ro CM ro सिगाङाव विजिट खालायजा गरबो पगजाक गुबुन बिनो चिनि डिस्कासन लायखा बोसां जरबो जों डिस्कासन खालायजा.
On this day, Khumulwng Press Club President Angsumoy Debarma, Tripura Indigenous People's Press Association President Gautam Debarma, Organizing Secretary Brajagopal Debarma, Tiprasa Photo Media Association Secretary Amulya Debarma, and other members of Khumulwng Press Club were present. Reported by Prabir from Khumulwng, Chini Khorang.